Hey everyone, in the recent iOS 27 release, one of the best features Apple launched is the new recovery mode. Now you can reset your device and run diagnostics directly from the recovery menu without needing a computer, just like on Android. First, press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear along with the text indicating that recovery mode is loading. Continue holding the power button until the recovery menu appears. Now, wait for it to finish loading. As you can see, the new iOS 27 recovery mode has appeared. You can change the language by tapping the globe icon on the side. Now I'll explain what these features do. First, Recovery Assistant. This is a built-in self-recovery tool that automatically activates when your iPhone encounters a startup error, crash, or boot loop. You can tap Continue to proceed to the next step. Second, Diagnostic Mode. This provides detailed information about your device's performance metrics, including CPU usage, battery health, and other system diagnostics. Third, Erase Content. This allows you to erase all content directly from recovery mode with ease if you plan to sell your iPhone. You can think of this as a hard reset option. Lastly, Recovery Mode. This allows your iPhone to communicate directly with a computer so you can fix serious software issues using recovery tools on a Mac or PC. I'll go back and restart my phone for a normal boot up. It may take about a minute for the device to return to its normal state, and that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.